superstar? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Listen up. Hey, let me ask you a question. Do you shop online? Do you go to Walmart, Target, the Dollar Tree, right? What if there was an app you could download right now, and every time you buy some milk, some eggs, okay, or even some condoms, you'll get paid in the process here. Listen, this is a brand new website here. And don't forget to sub to the channel. I mean, I will appreciate it. Some of you sub, some of you don't sub right now at all. But you don't like the video if I give you value. You know how it is. Show me some love, right? Because I love you here. And comment below where you live. And the great thing about this, it's worldwide. I know some of you are like, finally, right? Smash the like button because I'm looking out for people outside of America here. So basically, the site is this here. This is the platform. Coca-Cola, Kraft, Gerber, Tyson, they all use this. Like, some of you drink Cokes, well, you should get paid for it. Listen, everything that you shop for, this is a brand new site. A lot of people are not using this here, but even makeup, women, you buy makeup, get paid, right? It's just simple. Stop spending all your money and not getting paid in the process here, okay? So this is the website here that you're going to log into. And stay with me to the very end because I'm going to walk you through it and show you how you get paid in the process here. We got happy customers here. This lady, she's shopping, right? Girl, okay, your weave looking good. Smash the like button if this beautiful lady's weave looking good, okay? So listen, let me just show you how it works here. The name of the site is called Field Agent. So basically, you want to just scroll here, how it works here. And basically, it's so simple. You log in. First, you got to sign up. So let's sign up first. Create a free account. It's free, right? And type in your name. I'm going to say your name is Big Head, right? You know how it is. Big Head Media, right? I'm going to say Big Head. And listen, put in your own address. I had somebody that actually put in Big Head. I'm like, really? Stop it. Right? Whatever your password is here. I'm going to walk you step by step. So listen and watch to the very end because you're going to feel so good about this. And you're going to like say, thank you, Wesley. Finally, I can shop and buy stuff and get paid in the process. This site does it. It really does. And you can download it to your iPhone like tonight, today, and start to do that. So you're going to have an account. What did they say? Business email, blah, 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 blah. Really? It does exist. So we're just going to put Wesley here. Okay. Let's put in the password again and make sure this information is correct, right? And then, oh, okay. Well, let me see. Wesley Virgin at yahoo.com. Okay, maybe that'll work. Oh, you know, let's do gmail.com here. Let's put in the password here. Okay, stay with me, folks. All right. Come on, what's going on? Please enter your business email. The form does not accept Gmail. Okay, it doesn't like Gmail. Okay, so they just put wv.com. All right, whatever your email is, put it there. Seems like it doesn't like Gmail, so just get yourself a Yahoo account or MSN account here. Okay, here we go. See, look. Try again. Don't give up. Some of you guys give up too quickly here. Before you watch everything, you just give up. Don't give up. Here we go. Welcome, Big Head. And this is how your account is going to look, okay? Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, okay, get to the point. How do I get paid? How do I make some money when I go shopping here, okay? Very simple. You see the left side here? Click on Field Agent Shop. Very simple here. We got tons of people that's doing this, but it's brand new, so a lot of you can jump in now. You can do e-commerce. You can just lay in your bed, butt naked, like me, and you can shop e-commerce. You can do trials. You can do audits of different products. Listen, let me show you something that's cool here. They even have a portion here where you can actually get paid $15 to review a product. That means when you buy it, you just review it. You write a review, 15 bucks. So think about it. If you did that 10 times a day, right? 15 times 10 is $150 a day doing what you're already doing. A lot of you are already buying stuff every single day, but listen, these people will pay you to review products in their stores like Coca-Cola, Apple products, Nike shoes, all that stuff right here on this website here, okay? So let's go back here again. We go back to Field Agent Shop and stay tuned because I'm going to give you another app that you can use that you already use. and you can get paid just to shop. I mean, it's just easy money, right? Listen, so you got e-commerce here. Say if you want to just lay in your bed, $15. They're going to pay you per review on the product. Some of the stuff you can do a buy and try, where you can just buy the product that you're going to buy already and you review it. So you basically get the money back. Does that make sense? So go to Field Agent. It's free to do. It's easy. They approve you in the same day. And it doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter where you live. Everybody can do it. The next site is Amazon.com. Now listen, everybody orders from Amazon.com. But what's so idiotic, what's crazy about people is you're buying stuff and you're not getting paid for it. Let me show you a secret way. It's not even a secret. It's just a simple way to get paid. When you go to Amazon.com, check it out. Smash the like button on this one, right? Scroll down. And I want you to go where it says become an affiliate here, okay? An affiliate account means this. Anytime you buy a product on Amazon, listen close. Make sure you, like if you want to buy diapers, okay? Because I know some of you, you need diapers. Listen, when you spend this money on diapers, well, if you click get link here, then basically the link, right, which is right here, you can utilize, put short link like this, highlight the link here, then you put it in your browser here like this. So when you buy it, basically Amazon's going to pay you, right? Because you're recommending a product, but you're just going to sign up with your own link and just buy your own product. I do it every day long. And look, the money just starts to stack up. Let me show you here. Look, let me show you guys proof, because I know you're like, well, Wesley, are you making money? Of course. Look. So look at that. $12 here, $10 here. So this is my earnings report. This is just the money that I'm making based off the products that I'm buying myself, right? So the Amazon is paying me while I'm shopping with Amazon. So listen, use your affiliate link. Now listen, how many of you smash the like button if you believe you can do this? If you believe you're going to do it right now, and you believe that this is something that can add some extra income to your bank account. Now, I want you to be very honest. Some people may say, okay, Wes, I'm a sub to your channel. I like your videos, but this is still too hard, because it's just a lot of screens, and I get it. Now, usually this is for my older folks. You young people, watch the video again, try it yourself. But for my older generation, what I like to do is mentor them personally. So for $1,000, what I usually do is I just do it for them. I set up the Field Agent account. I set up the Amazon account for them. I set up the link. So now all they need to do is basically use the software, and like that, it just spits out money. I was doing it for $1,000, but I understand that everybody can't afford $1,000, right? And I get it. I used to be broke. I had no money. I grew up on the south side of Houston, Texas, and I was broke as a joke. So what I'm going to do for the first 10 people, I do 10 people every single month. Okay, you guys watch my YouTube channel, you know what I do. 10 people every month. If you look in the description below and you click that link, I am going to do it for you using a software I'm going to give you. And you're not going to pay $1,000 or even $99 for $17. But only 10 people that go in the description under this video, click the link and grab it. You can have it for $17. And what I'm going to do and my team going to do, we'll give you a software, and the software is going to do everything what you just seen here. Make money. So basically, you're going to download the app. Every time you download the app, you're going to make about $24. Okay, it's up to you. You could do it per minute, per hour. It's up to you. But every time you do it with the software that we're going to do for you, do you understand? We're doing it for you for $17, which is insane, right? Only 10 people. If you're number 11, it's $1,000. You might as well just watch the video again and do it yourself. But for the first 10 people every month, if you're selected, you grab it, you'll see it. Listen, that link will not work if you're number 11. It's going to go to a page not found. But if you click it and you see it, get it. It's only $17, and everything you've seen here, you just start making money. We're talking about a couple $1,000s per day. It's up to you. You can make $200 a day, $500 a day. If you just use it, we're going to do it for you using the software, and you're going to make a ton of money. So much love. I'll see you soon on the next video. This is Wesley. $1 million virgin. Hey, make sure if you want that $2,000 giveaway that I'm going to do at the end of the year, make sure you like the channel, sub to the channel, and make sure you wait for the next video because I'm coming back. Let's